Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are diving into two small but mighty tools in academic writing: capitalization and numbers in sentences. These look simple, but trust me, they can make or break the integrity of your essay. So, let's explore these two together. Let's start with capitalization in sentences. Capital letters are not just decoration. Historically, the Romans carved their inscriptions entirely in capitals. Later, medieval scribes introduced lowercase letters to make writing faster. Today, linguists like David Christo remind us that capitalization signals importance, structure, and respect in writing. Here are the key rules that you need to master. Number one, always capitalize the first word in a sentence. For example, students must proofread their essays. When you don't do this, your work looks careless and it signals an element of laziness on your part. Number two, proper nouns, the names of people, places, institutions, and events. You can say, Nelson Mandela studied law at the University of Fort Hare. Number three, titles and headings. Capitalize all the major words in titles. For example, the effects of climate change on rural agriculture. Number four, acronyms and initialisms. Always capitalize them. For example, WHO for World Health Organization, UN for United Nations, ZNBC for Zambia National Broadcasting Corporation. Now, let's talk about the use of numbers in sentences. Style guides such as the APA and the Chicago Manual of Style debate about the use of numbers, but they give us clear rules, and the principle is simple. Numbers should be clear, consistent, and appropriate. Here's how it works. For numbers 1 to 9, spell them out. For example, 3 students submitted their assignments early. For numbers 10 and above, use digits. For example, the experiment lasted 15 days. For large numbers, combine digits with words. For example, the population of Lusaka is about 3 million people. For dates and years, always use digits. For example, the study was conducted in 2025. For percentages and statistics, use digits with the symbol. For example, only 7% of students proofread their essays before submission. Keep numbers in the same style when grouped. For example, when you say the survey included 8 men and 12 women, ensure that you use numbers. It is wrong to say 8 men and 12 women. So capitalization and numbers, they look like small details, but they carry big weight in academic writing. They show that you respect your reader, that you're professional, and you pay attention to detail. So go back to your last essay that you wrote, check if you spelled out small numbers, and use digits for big ones. And also check that you used capital letters properly.